Honestly, I did not know Sonia Gandhi was Rahul Gandhi's
Oh
mother.
shit,
That's how
man.
dumb I am. Exactly.
Because there's no number in alphabetic orders. Okay. Guys, can you state your name?
Lanisha. Datay.
Wanchwadkar. My name is Daman Lamki simply.
Arman Kirkhar.
My name is Vladimisha.
And I'm Shanasa.
My name is Emilia. My name is Gary. My name is Dapi. My name is Dafi. Bandri. Lapenbiang.
What is 77 plus 33?
77 plus 33.
Yes.
Oh my god, my brain.
120.
True, and yeah, that's pretty true. That's true, and yeah, that's true. That's true.
Nope.
77 plus 33.
Yes.
110.
110. Okay, you got it right.
Whoa.
What is 77 plus 33?
101. 110. 77.
Plus 33.
110.
110. Okay. Yes, 77 plus 33.
77
Plus
plus
33.
110.
Okay, you got it right. What does a girl cannot do before she turn 18? What does a girl cannot do before she turn 18?
She can marry.
What?
She can marry.
Okay. Before she turn, what does a girl cannot do before she turn 18?
Can write to vote.
Right to vote. Okay,
That's
okay.
You're right.
What is half of 2 plus 2?
What?
What is half of 2 plus 2?
Half of 2 plus 2.
2. No, it's wrong. How many numbers are there in alphabetic letters?
How many numbers are there?
25. Wait, I keep getting
Is
the
it
wrong answer.
25? You don't know. There are no numbers in alphabetic order.
What?
24. You?
26. 9.
9. All wrong. There's no number in alphabetic orders. Okay. What does a girl cannot do before she turn 18?
Cannot drink.
Okay. Cannot do before she turn 18.
Yeah, she can't drink.
She can't drink. Okay. Or drink.
Wait, she can do anything.
Can do anything. What does a girl cannot do before she turn 18?
She can be married.
Yeah, she can. She can do anything without no one stopping her, right?
Yeah, that's true. But there's one thing that she cannot do before she turn 18.
She can be 19.
She can't eat back now.
She cannot vote, right?
Oh yeah. What?
What is half of 2 plus 2? What is half of 2 plus 2? 2.
Half of 2 plus 2.
Right?
Half of 2 plus 2.
2.
2. Nice, 3. Half of 2 is 1 and then plus 2 is 3.
Half of 2. Half of 2 and then
Plus 2, yeah. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Yeah. Half of
only 1, 2.
2 and then it's 1, right? And the plus 2, then it's 1 plus 3 was plus 2 is 3, right? Half of 2.
2 plus 2. Half of this 2 is 1. Then this 2. He didn't say no to half of the another 2. So it's 3. Understand? Okay.
Okay. What is 77 plus 33?
77
plus 33.
plus 33, that's 110.
110. Okay.
Yeah, boy. That's it.
How many numbers are there in alphabetic letters?
26.
26.
There are no numbers in alphabetic letters.
Okay, I'm gonna listen to the questions properly this time.
So
Same.
you know Sonia Gandhi, right? You know Rahul Gandhi, right?
Yeah, I know.
So fill in the blank. Okay, fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. Sonia Gandhi is the dash of Rahul Gandhi's mother.
Okay, I don't know much about that. You answer this.
I do not know. Please.
Okay, fill in the blank.
Sonia Gandhi is
Sonia Gandhi is the dash of Rahul Gandhi's mother.
Sonia Gandhi is a dash of Rahul Gandhi. Okay, I'm gonna skip this one. I actually don't know.
And the answer is name. Sonia Gandhi is the name of Rahul Gandhi's mother.
Actually, I did not know Sonia Gandhi was Rahul Gandhi's
Oh
mother.
shit!
That's how
man.
dumb I am. Exactly.
What is the half of 2 plus 2?
What is the half of 2
What
plus
is
2?
half of 2 plus 2?
Yeah, I feel like the answer is not gonna be 2.
That's too easy to be 2, right?
Exactly. But actually, what if it is the answer? That's what I'm thinking. What's half of 2 plus 2?
Yeah.
Half of 2 plus 2. It can't possibly be 2 because it's a trick question. Half 2 plus 2. You know, I'm just gonna go with 2.
Half
I
of
guess
2
2
plus-
too.
It's 2. Nah, the answer is 3.
Half of 2 plus 2 is 3.
Half of 2 it's 1, right? So plus 2 it's 3. Which mouse has 2 legs?
Mickey Mouse.
Okay, Mickey Mouse. Which dog has 2 legs?
Dog.
Goofy. Okay, Goofy. Okay. Which duck has 2 legs?
Dog.
The answer is every duck has 2 legs. Okay. What is 77 plus 33?
27 110.
Okay, you got it right. Okay, how many numbers are there in alphabetic letters?
26. 10 alphabetic letters.
Yes, how many numbers are there in alphabetic letters?
26. 26.
There are no numbers in alphabetic letters. What is half of 2 plus 2?
Half of 2. 3.
3, okay, you got it right.
Well done.
What does a girl cannot do before she turns 18? What does a girl cannot do before she turns 18?
Get married.
She cannot marry, okay?
Get married. Drink.
She cannot drink, drive. That she can do. If she want to do it, then she can do it, right? But then that is like she can do it on her own, right? In her own wish.
Yeah,
If you legally, what does a girl cannot do before she turns 18?
legally.
You said right, married and everything. So she cannot vote.
Oh, right.
What is 77 plus 33?
7 plus 33.
Yes.
27.
Okay.
7 plus 33.
33.
33, yes.
Oh no. 110. Is it? Something.
How much?
110.
Yes, that's true. What does a girl cannot do before she turns 18?
She cannot drive.
Okay.
She cannot drink.
She cannot drink again.
Even
I don't
medicine
know.
also.
Okay.
I don't know.
The answer is she cannot vote.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
She cannot.
How many numbers are there in alphabetic letters?
26.
26. There are no numbers in alphabetic letters.
The what?
There are no numbers in alphabetic letters. Which mouse has 2 legs?
What?
Which mouse has 2 legs?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse, okay. Which dog has 2 legs?
His name is Goofy.
Goofy, okay. Which duck has 2 legs?
Donald the duck.
Oh, the dog has 2 legs. How do a person who cannot speak ask for a scissor? A person who cannot speak ask for a scissor. How do he ask for a scissor?
I don't know.
How does a person who cannot speak ask for a scissor? If you cannot speak, how would you ask for a scissor?
Obviously, show hand.
Showing hands, right? How do a blind person ask for water?
I don't know.
A blind person, he still can't speak, so he will ask, give me a glass of water, right? Okay. What is half of 2 plus 2?
Half of 2.
Plus 2.
2.
3.
She got it right. She got it right. Oh, you almost changed your answer. You almost
Yeah,
changed
3.
your
Half
answer.
of 2 plus
That's
2.
true. That's
Yeah,
true.
3.
That's true. That's true.
One.
Got it.